Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you the best in beauty and health products for your everyday routines. Today, we're talking about a product that's making waves in the dental care space, the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flossers, WP-663 and WP-667CD. If you've ever struggled with traditional flossing, you know it can be tricky to get into all those nooks and crannies between your teeth. This product promises to make flossing a breeze with its innovative water-based technology. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a review on the latest and greatest beauty and wellness products. Let's get started. The Waterpik Aquarius Water Flossers come with a unique dual set design. You get 2 flossers, which means it's perfect for a family. Each flosser has 10 pressure settings, ranging from 10 to 100 psi, so you can find the right intensity for your comfort. It holds a generous 22 ounces of water, which gives you 90 seconds of continuous flossing without needing to stop and refill. This is a huge advantage if you're used to the interruptions of traditional flossing, or if you've been frustrated by the hassle of water flosser models with smaller reservoirs. Another standout feature is that it's clinically proven to remove up to 99.9% of plaque, which is a significant step up from string floss. Plus, it's backed by studies that show it improves gum health up to 50% better than traditional flossing. Talk about an upgrade. The design includes 14 color-coded tips, making it easy for each family member to have their own hygienic flossing tool. And if you're worried about the quality, rest assured, this device is accepted by the American Dental Association, ADA, and comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty. Now, let's talk about how it performs in real life. I've been using this Waterpik Aquarius for a few weeks now, and I'll be honest, it has truly transformed my dental care routine. The pressure settings are a game changer, especially for those who like a stronger stream of water to ensure a deep clean. You can start with a lower setting if you're new to water flossing, and gradually work your way up as you get more comfortable. It's also super easy to incorporate into my daily routine. I can clean my teeth in the same amount of time it would take to brush, and I love how it feels, almost like a mini massage for my gums. Plus, the water reservoir holds enough for a full flossing session, which means no interruptions during use. But let's talk about the cons. The size of the device might be an issue for some people. It's a bit bulkier than traditional flossing tools, so if you're short on counter space, it could be a little inconvenient to store. Also, while the device is fairly quiet compared to some water flossers, it's still noticeable. So if you like to floss in complete silence, that's something to consider. Now let's get into value for money. With a price tag around $100, the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flossers may seem a little high for a dental care tool. But given the number of features, pressure settings, and the fact that you're getting 2 units, I'd say it's definitely worth it. The 14 tips alone make it ideal for larger families, and the fact that it's ADA approved makes it even more of a no-brainer for me. If you're wondering how it compares to other products, you might see some cheaper water flossers out there. But they usually lack the customizability and ease of use that Waterpik offers. The pressure settings are a huge advantage, and the long water reservoir makes the process much smoother. Some alternatives may be a bit more compact, but they typically require refilling during use, which can be a hassle. Build quality is solid. The plastic feels durable, and the tips are designed to last. One thing I appreciate is how easy it is to clean and maintain. I haven't had any issues with the product so far, and I expect it to last well beyond the warranty period. Now, if you're on the fence, I've got to say, this is a product that could make your dental care routine easier and more effective. If you've been frustrated with traditional flossing, or if you're just looking for something more efficient and hygienic, the Waterpik Aquarius is a solid choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, as for customer support, Waterpik has a pretty good reputation for helping customers with any questions or issues. I've heard they're pretty responsive, and with that 3-year warranty, you can feel secure in your purchase. For those looking for a budget-friendly option, there are certainly cheaper water flossers out there, but they often fall short in terms of features and performance. If you're willing to invest a bit more, the Aquarius model will give you the most bang for your buck. To wrap up, the Waterpik Aquarius Water Flossers are a top-notch tool for anyone looking to step up their dental hygiene game. With adjustable pressure settings, a large water reservoir, and 8A approval, this product lives up to its promises. If you're someone who values easy-to-use, effective, and durable tools for your personal care routine, I'd recommend giving this one a try. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.